the hell are you drinking?
It's grape juice?
It's fruit water, that's what it is.
What? It's good.
Whatever.
You know what? Just be ready in 20, there's a briefing. Alrighty, boys. No nonsense here today. You all have your laptops in your respective desks. Please refer to them now. We got some intel about an unlicensed construction... Shoot. Excuse me, you good there? Yep. Anyway, we got some intel from a source that there's an unlicensed construction operation somewhere on the island. Aerial views show our favorite boys in red. Ugh, the POD? That's correct. Now, we got very reasonable suspicion to believe that this construction project of theirs is a potential stockpile of terrorist weapons and even better, terrorist bombs.
We're hitting this place, why? We're 4 guys.
You questioning me?
Just run us through the details.
Good! Now, as stated earlier, the POD are stockpiling these weapons to supply to the RLF. Intel shows that various trucks and other things have been seen leaving these bases. We have the mother load. And we boys are stopping this operation in its tracks. We're taking a Black Hawk to a higher vantage point we can strike from. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna be fast. Gotta be on our A game here. We put a blockade there in the middle of the road to intercept them. That is our opening. We have to steal that truck.
This wasn't here when I last drive through.
Someone put this here.
Why is it so conveniently placed?
Extra voice line.
Ah!
Good shooting. Let's move.
Oh, God, it's showtime.
What the hell?
Anyone else need a pee?
Looks like we got the motor load.
Shut up.
Fine.
I'm counting about 10 boxes here, not even including the ones in those tents over there.
We did a merry job today here, gentlemen.
Did anyone else hear Michael Jackson?
What?
Never mind.
Anyways, I'm getting wasted. Job well done. What? Dude, seriously?
Shut up.
You said it was grape water.
Not a word.
Ugh. Whatever.
I know it was on your laptop. It really is good.